हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपनी यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी। आज हम देखेंगे सोशल साइंस स्टैंडर्ड 8 चैप्टर नंबर 9 अवर इकोनॉमिक सिस्टम वर्कबुक सॉल्यूशन। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 यहाँ पर है। चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो ईच क्वेश्चन एंड राइट इट्स रिलेवेंट लेटर इन द बॉक्स प्रोवाइडेड अगेंस्ट द क्वेश्चन। मीन्स एमसीक्यू। फर्स्ट है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज बिलोंग टू प्राइमरी सेक्टर? तो आंसर आएगा बी, एग्रीकल्चर। सेकंड, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज बिलोंग टू सर्विस सेक्टर? तो आंसर आएगा सी, बैंकिंग जॉब्स। थर्ड नंबर है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज बिलोंग टू सेकेंडरी सेक्टर? तो आंसर आएगा ए, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सिक्योरिटी इक्विपमेंट। नंबर 4, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेक्टर इज ऑल्सो नोन एज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर? तो आंसर आएगा डी, सेकेंडरी सेक्टर। फिफ्थ नंबर, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन इंडस्ट्री ऑफ पब्लिक सेक्टर? तो आंसर आएगा ए, भिलाई स्टील प्लांट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, टू विच सेक्टर डज ऑयल एंड नेचुरल गैस कॉर्पोरेशन बिलोंग? तो आंसर आएगा बी, पब्लिक सेक्टर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज इज द टाटा आयरन एंड स्टील कंपनी लिमिटेड, टिस्को? तो आंसर आएगा डी, प्राइवेट सेक्टर। 8 नंबर, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्री इज द महसाना दूध सागर डेयरी? तो आंसर आएगा डी, कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर। 9 नंबर, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज इज द भारत हेवी इलेक्ट्रिकल लिमिटेड, भेल? तो बी, पब्लिक सेक्टर। 10 number, from which year of the industrial policy did the Indian government make changes in the economic policies? तो C, from 1991. 11, which aspect was not included in the improvement made by the industrial policy of 1991? तो B, liberalization. 12 number, which process is joint sector a part of? तो B, privatization. Question number 13, which industrial policy did the Indian government implemented in 1991? A, economic liberalization. 14, in which year was the World Trade Organization WTO established? D, in 1995. 15 number, what is the process by which public sector or government owned units are handed over to private owners known as A, privatization? 16, by which policy of the government are international markets and product coming closer to one another? C, globalization. 17, which of the following company has made a place for itself in the international market? C, Asian Paints. Question number 2, fill in the blanks with proper words or number in the following statement. First, the sector providing raw material for food commodities and industrial manufacture good is known as primary sector. Second, the activity that makes raw material useful after completing some mechanical process on primary sector product is known as the economic activity of the secondary sector. Third, travel and entertainment are activities of the service sector. Fourth, industries that are under the ownership of the government and run under government policy are known as public sector industry. Fifth, industries that are owned and run by private owners are known as private sector industries. 6 number, many times people of Six number, many times people of a society come together and form a cooperative group which undertakes manufacturing and selling process. Such a unit is known as cooperative sector unit. 7 number, the Indian government implemented the policy of liberalization in the year 1991. 8 number, the joint sector is a part of the process of privatization. 9 number, the WTO World Trade Organization was established in 1995. 10 number, more job opportunity have been created in the service sector due to the unique revolution in the field of information technology. 11 number, many times small scale industries suffer losses due to world trade. Question number 3, right, wrong. First, You use many natural product in their original forms. Right statement. Second, the activity of making jaggery from sugarcane is an activity of the primary sector. Wrong statement. Third number, air and sea routes are a part of these activities of the secondary sector. So wrong statement. Fourth number, minerals are found from the surface of the earth. Wrong statement. Fifth number, torrent power is an industry of the private sector. So right statement. Sixth number, private owner have more power in cooperative sector industry. So wrong statement. Seven number, Kanta works is an organized farm. So right. Eight number, Kamal works is in an unorganized farm. So right. Nine number, public enterprise is a part of the process of a privatization. So wrong. Question number 4. Match the pairs correctly. सेक्शन ए में है प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर, सेक्शन बी में है पॉसिबल मेजर. तो फर्स्ट, लैंड विदाउट इरिगेशन. तो आंसर आएगा फोर्थ नंबर, इरिगेशन कैनाल्स मेड बाय गवर्नमेंट. सेकंड, लेस रिटर्न ऑन क्रॉप प्रोडक्शन. तो आंसर आएगा थर्ड नंबर, परचेज ऑफ फूड ग्रेन्स बाय गवर्नमेंट. थर्ड नंबर, इनडेबिटनेस. तो आंसर आएगा फिफ्थ नंबर, फैसिलिटी ऑफ लोन एट लो इंटरेस्ट रेट बाय बैंक. फोर्थ नंबर, लेक ऑफ एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी ड्यूरिंग रिसेशन. तो आंसर आएगा फर्स्ट, एस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज. फिफ्थ नंबर, प्रॉब्लम ऑफ सेलिंग द क्रॉप्स बाय फार्मर्स आफ्टर हार्वेस्टिंग. तो आंसर आएगा सेकंड, कोऑपरेटिव कमिटीज फॉर सेल्स एंड परचेज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, क्लासिफाई द फॉलोइंग एग्जाम्पल इनटू ऑर्गेनाइज एंड अनऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर. तो फर्स्ट, ए टीचर टीचिंग इन स्कूल. तो ऑर्गेनाइज. सेकंड, ए फार्मर irrigating his own field. तो unorganized. Third, a doctor treating patient in a hospital. तो unorganized. Fourth, a worker working on daily basis with a contractor. तो unorganized. Fifth, a worker who goes to work in a big factory. तो organized. Question number 6, answer the following question in one or two sentences each. First, what is primary sector? So the sector providing raw material for food commodities and industrially manufactured good is known as primary sector. Second number, which fields are included in primary sector? So forest, mining, animal husbandry, fisheries, etc. that provide raw material for food and industry are included in primary sector. Third number, what is known as the economic activity of the secondary sector? Manufacturing sector. So certain primary products can be used only after they have been processed into a finished product. Such economic activity is called the activity of the secondary sector. Question number 4. Which important service have started in recent times? So in modern times, ATM, call center, software companies, etc. have also become important services. Fifth number, what is known as a public sector industry? Give example. So industries that are owned by the government and run under government policies are known as public sector industries. For example, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, BHEL. Sixth number, what is known as a private sector industries? Give example. So industries that are owned and run by private owner are known as private sector industries. For example, Reliance Industries Limited. Question number 7. What is known as joint sector? Give example. Industries that are owned and run by both government and private owner are known as joint sector units. For example, Maharashtra Scooter. 8 number, give example of cooperative sector unit. So cooperative sector, so first, the dairy run by the National Dairy Development Board, NDDB, Dudhsagar Dairy, Amul Dairy, etc. Apart from these, many sugar factories are run on government standard. Other cooperative sector units are Gujarat Cooperative Oilseeds Growers Federation Limited, Gujarat State Cooperative Marketing Society Limited, Gujcoms. 9 number. Why has the Indian government made some changes in its economic policy? Which new aspects were included in the new policy so formed in 1991 to keep pace with the developing world, to flow with the global tide, and to make India a developed nation? The Indian government has brought about certain changes in its economic policies. In the new economic policy formulated in 1991, the three aspects, liberalization, privatization, and globalization, were included. 10 number. What steps have been taken by government to increase agricultural production? So irrigation facilities have been developed in the country. Government provides chemical fertilizers. Government provided monetary loans are provided to needed farmers through agriculture loans plans. 11 number. From which year did India advocate the policy of liberalization? So the policy of liberalization was promoted from the year 1991 onwards in India. 12. What is the meaning of economic liberalization? So according to the policy of economic liberalization, certain regulations related to manufacturing, trade and commerce were removed. Duties and tax relaxation on import-export were announced. Privatization means the process by which government-owned enterprise or public sector industries are handed over to private agency or owners. 13. What has been the result of the policy of economic liberalization? So the process of establishing a new manufacturing unit was made simpler. Certain duties and taxes on import export were reduced. As a result, India has been able to keep pace with the world in terms of production, trade and commerce. 14. What does privatization means? So privatization means the process by which government owned enterprises or public sector industries are handed over to private agency or owners. 15. What do you mean by globalization? So globalization means the world becoming one or countries coming closer to one another. Due to globalization, any country of the world can trade with another country easily. 16 number. Why have new employment opportunity been created in the service sector in India? The new employment opportunity have been created in the service sector in India due to information technology. 17 number. How have customers benefited due to the economic policy of globalization? Due to the economic policy of globalization, there is a great competition in the world markets. As a result, quality of goods has improved and good quality product are available to customers at cheaper rates. Question number 7. Answer the following question in detail. First, state the effects of globalization. The employment opportunity have increased in the service sector with the advent of information technology. Phone, fax, mobile, email, internet, video conference, etc. are some of the revolutionary tools of information technology which transfer information faster and at low cost. Multinational companies have started projects in different countries which have proved profitable for the host nation also. For example, the Ford Motor has a car manufacturing plant in India where cars are manufactured not only for India but for other countries too. Competition in the world market result in high quality goods being available to customer at low prices. Second number. Why did government need to divert itself towards privatization? So privatization means the process by which government-owned enterprises or public sector industries are handed over to private agency or owners. This happened because public sector units were suffering losses while private sector units were making more profit. The joint sector is a part of a process of privatization. After independence, many public ventures started by the government made lesser profits with the passage of time. They incurred heavy losses. Due to this, many public ventures had to be closed down. The economy was impacted, though workers were united, quality and industry suffered. ओके इसी के साथ ये हमारा चैप्टर खत्म हुआ. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब फॉर लेटेस्ट अपडेट. सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल स्टडी विथ एमपी.